Alright guys, so I welcome you to another part of our importation training, and in this segment I'm going to teach you guys how to generate your username and password using Alipay app. Now I very much believe that by now you must have installed your Alipay and you must have verified the Alipay with international passport. So what you need now is to generate your username and password that you can use to log into your 1688 app or your 1688 on Google Chrome. So I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can set up your username first, and when you are done with your setting up of your username using the Alipay, we move straight to how you can set up your login password that you can use to log in your 1688 app or your 1688 on Google Chrome. So let's get started. So like I said earlier, we are going to make use of Alipay. Everything must be done from Alipay. By doing that, we are able to link our Alipay with 1688. From there, we can pay any supplier on 1688 direct without any stress. So let's get started with Alipay. So we have to go to your Alipay app. Alright, so from the very point here, you have to click on me right here. Click on me from home page. So when you click on me, it takes you right here. For you to set up, the first thing we are going to do is to get your login username. That's the first thing we are going to set up. So when you move from me, it takes you to this page. The next thing you have to do is to tap on this point here, this top here. Tap on that. So when you tap on that, it takes you right here. So at this point here, this particular number here is refers to as your login username on 1688. Either you want to log in on 1688 app or you want to log in on 1688 Chrome, always make use of this particular number right here. Now, having know your username to log in on 1688 app or on 1688 Chrome, so the next thing for you is to know your login password. Okay, so for us to set up our login password, we need to go back to the Alipay home page. So when we get back to Alipay home page, we have to start the process from the beginning or so. You have to tap on me right here. Then having tapped from me, it takes you right here. So at this point here, you need to click on the setting icon at the top left corner here. So click on setting icon. When you click on setting icon, it takes you here. The next step you have to take is to click on account and security right here. Click on account and security. So it takes you here. So at this point here, you need to click on login setting. This one here, login setting. Just click on login setting. So when you click on login setting, it opens up another page. So at this point here, you need to click on change login password. This one right here, click on that. Just tap here, okay? So change login password. So it's initializing security test. So let's wait and see. So you can click on change now. Change now. Okay. So at this point here, this is where you need to make sure you set up the correct password that you will always remember each time you want to log in into your 1688 on Google Chrome or on your 1688 app. So for a security purpose, I'm going to have this camera while I set up the login password. Make sure it is a number. It can be numbers or letters, and the maximum number should be 20 characters or less than 20 characters. Just make sure that whatever you are going to set right here is something you can remember all the time. It can be number, a mixture of number and letter. Okay. So when you are done with your payment, when you are done with your login password setup, you have to click on save. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to click on save. So loading. All right. So at this point here, you can see that. Remember that this is the only password you will be used to log in into your Tabo account and your Alipay account. So just click on confirm. With that, you will be able to log in to your 1688 app or 1688 Google Chrome easily without any stress. Okay. All you have to do is to make sure you follow the step on how you can start to create your username and likewise the password. Once you are able to set up the username and the password, then we move to the next part of the training, which is how you can log in successfully to your 1688 app or on Google Chrome. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.